Hello. In this video, I'm going to read you the text for week 25's asynchronous assignment. It's called New NASA Rover Lands on Mars with a Helicopter. This is fresh news from last week, so it's pretty exciting. Actually, I guess it's 2 weeks ago now. Let's take a look at the cover image real quickly. We can see that this down here, this is the rover, and up here, this is called a sky crane. It is a rocket-powered crane. So this thing up here hovers on rockets that shoot downward to keep it up in the air, and then it lowers the rover down safely. It's a cool new piece of technology that's only been used once before. So this is pretty exciting to watch. And we actually, if you were here during the Asynchronous Wednesday last week, we actually watched the video of it landing. So we're going to read about this rover today and learn more about NASA's new mission to Mars. NASA's new rover landed on Mars on February 18, 2021. Mars is a neighboring planet in our solar system. The rover is a wheeled robot named Perseverance. It took 7 months to make the 470 million kilometer or 300 million mile journey. Perseverance is the name of the rover. It's a noun, but it's also a noun that describes somebody who sticks with it. It's an adjective that describes somebody who sticks with it no matter what, even when it's hard. Perseverance's mission is to search for signs of microbial life. Microbes are very small living things, such as bacteria. They could have lived on Mars billions of years ago. The rover will collect rock and soil samples. Studying the rocks and soil will help scientists better understand the planet's history. The mission will also test some new technology. It will help to lay the groundwork or the planning or readiness for future missions to Mars. High-tech data collector. Perseverance is about the size of a car and has 6 wheels. It can move on its own by using 2 computers to navigate. One computer figures out where the rover needs to go. The other computer sees its surroundings. So these 2 computers work together to tell it where to go, which is what navigate means. The rover has high-tech instruments. These are tools to collect scientific data or information. They will take photos, map the planet's surface, and can study rocks, soils, and minerals. Some tools will store soil until it is sent back to Earth. One interesting tool on Perseverance is a tiny helicopter. Its name is Ingenuity. It will be the first powered aircraft to try to fly on another planet. Ingenuity has cameras and it will make short solar-powered flights. Scientists will observe Mars from a different point of view. There are things you can't see from rovers on the ground, so getting up higher will help scientists see more. The atmosphere on Mars is 99% less dense than the atmosphere on Earth. An atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds a planet. Density measures how tightly packed particles are. Because of this difference, flying on Mars could be difficult. The helicopter might have a harder time achieving lift. This is the mechanical force that holds an aircraft in the air by directly opposing its weight, so it pushes down to keep the aircraft up. Lift is the push that lets an object move up. Ingenuity is light enough to handle flying on Mars. Its blades are much larger and spin faster. Years in the making. People have used technology to explore Mars for more than 50 years, but engineering a landing on Mars is hard. Less than half of the missions sent to Mars have been successful, according to NASA. Viking 1 and 2 were the first 2 NASA spacecraft to land on Mars. They landed in 1976. Later, scientists began using moving robotic vehicles called rovers to explore the planet. Perseverance is the 5th rover to land on Mars. It joins the other 6-wheeled robots named Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity. Exploring planets like Mars has only been done with robots so far, but this could change during your lifetime. Space agencies like NASA and private companies are working to make human missions a reality. Missions like Perseverance will help make it possible. Interested in learning more about the new helicopter? Watch this video from NASA to learn more about how it works. And that video is linked in our Canvas post if you would like to watch it. Okay, Go on and answer the